and start off with Captain. I think he has already mentioned my name's Darren, and I'm very happy to be a cabin manager on your flight back home to Gatwick today. You will have already heard from Adele. Adele is your assistant cabin manager looking after the rear of the aircraft. Fantastic team of crew on board. We have Sandra, Anna, Candice and Tracy. At this time the cabin crew have been released to commence our duties, however our captain does request you please remain seated with the seatbelt securely fastened until he has switched the seatbelt signs off. Once the seatbelt signs have been switched off, you're free to move around the cabin. Please take care opening overhead lockers as items will move during takeoff, and these may fall hurting you or someone in the area. I'd like to remind you that you operate a very strict no smoking policy, and smoking is not permitted anywhere on board your flight today. There is shortly we start the in-flight service, and first of all I'd like to give you the opportunity once again to purchase drinks and snacks from our bar. You'll find a full price list either in your cabin card menu card or your shop magazine located in your seat pocket area. We'd ask you wherever possible to have the correct sterling change available when purchasing drinks and snacks from our bar. We do take the euro on board, and your change will be returned to you back in sterling. For those of you that have pre-ordered a meal, this will then be served, and today is sausage and mash. That's served with tea or coffee. Later in the flight we'll give you a final opportunity to purchase any duty-free and tax-free items, and I'm sure Adele will spend a few moments introducing some of the fantastic offers and products that we do have on board. At some point throughout the flight, Anna will pass through the onboard questionnaires. I'm sure you've heard quite a lot about our questionnaires today and in resort, especially on your transfers from your reps today back to the airport. The reason for this, they are very important to Thomas Cook. It's only with your comments that we can meet your expectations and make any improvements. So I'll ask you to spend a few minutes completing these. If you don't wish to complete the personal information on the back page, then please feel free to put a line through that page. The most important information for Thomas Cook, the 2 inner pages of the questionnaire. They'll be collected in and handed into a monthly prize draw where holiday vouchers for your next Thomas Cook holiday can be won. We do like to keep a lot of our announcements to a minimum on the flight. If you do require any further help or assistance throughout the flight, then please do contact a member of the team. Thank you.